Welcome to Dutchy Foods Limited. Here at Dutchy Foods, we pride ourselves on a happy, productive and motivated workforce. As a new manager, it will be your job to ensure that this motivation continues by treating your staff with the respect they deserve. Here at Dutchy, we treat our staff with respect. We praise them for a job well done, as we believe this is uplifting and gives them a sense of well-being. This in itself can improve output and provides the employee with a feeling that they can offer their own ideas, hopefully helping them feel more motivated. We feel it is important that the employee's own ideas and input into completing the job are taken seriously. If we as a company can give acknowledgement to our staff's expertise and experience, then we believe a high level of motivation can be achieved. However, it is important to notice that the manager's authority remains in place at all times. This will ensure continued output and the ideas of the employee can be engineered to the job in hand effectively. Giving staff a sense of trust is also important. When staff feel as though they can be left alone, it can be uplifting, and the feeling of being left alone without the manager or supervisor breathing down their necks can empower them, resulting in improved motivation of the workforce. Finally, you may wish to note that while we at Dutchy Foods encourage respect, trust and an appreciation of our staff's ability, they must understand that these privileges are implicated on a carrot and stick ratio. If an employee performs badly, they will be punished with a proverbial stick. If the employee performs well to within the boundaries of the company rules, they shall be rewarded with a big fat juicy carrot of a privilege. Abraham Maslow suggests that people have different needs. From security through to comfort, he suggested a need for belonging to create self-esteem. A feeling of achievement through self-actualization describes how people make the most of their ability and are motivated.
What is your motivation? Your deep motivation to keep on pushing. Finding motivation. Motivation is the key.
Oh, you watched the mandatory training video.
And I lost my free will.